Hey guys, how's it going? I wanted you to check out this Carrera Digital 124 Porsche 917K. This car ran in the Sebring race in 1970. A blue one there with number 17. Not sure what place this one came in. Open this one up and you can take a look at it. Okay, there it is. Let's say from 1970, the blue one. See how it's got the white run back there like that. Classic 917 design. It's a beautiful design car right there. You can see what they look like from the side. Got the Porsche up in there underneath the. Got your Firestone tires. See what they look like there on the hood. See what the front of that car looks like. It's a beautiful design. See how it's got a little tint there and the headlights up front. Looks like I got a little front end damage on that one. Okay. Let's see what it looks like there up close. Porsche. Hood. See this side, the driver's side of the car. You can see the driver in there. He's got a gold helmet. Looks like a white racing suit with some black racing gloves on. That's cool, that gold helmet in there. See that? See what those cars look like. Check out the back of the car. So that's it. That's the Carrera Digital 124. That one's been out for a couple years. Nice blue color in that one. We'll put it on the track. You guys can take a look at that. You can see what it looks like with the lights on. Put it over here and we'll gas it up a little bit so you can hear it. 1970. Plenty of Porsche power.